Living and non-living. Introduction. Members of a common group share some common characteristics. We can categorize things into living things and non-living things. Living things. The things around us that possesses the characteristics breathing, excretion, taking food, movements, growth, giving birth to new ones are known as living things. Non-living things. Those which do not possess these characteristics are known as non-living things. Characteristics of plant. Movements. There are some movements in plants, closing and opening of flowers. Other than plantation by human beings, there are many natural ways of seed dispersion. The seed grows into plants and we feel that plants have moved from one place to another. Food. Plants also need food. Most of the plants absorb water and minerals from the soil and prepare their food in the presence of sunlight by the leaves. Growth. A seed germinates into a plant. They produce branches which shows their growth. They grow throughout their life. Breathe. In plants, there are stomata-like structures in the leaf. These are useful for exchange of gases. Excretion. Plants also excrete their wastage in the form of gum and resins. Giving birth. Seed germination is one of the ways to produce their young ones. Response to stimulus. The touch me not plant, it responds to stimulus when you touch it. After some minutes, it will return to its previous position. Some plants bloom in the morning and some at night. These respond to sunlight. When winter comes, many trees shed their leaves. They respond to the change in temperature. Seeds, living or not. When living things lose their life, they become dead. We are told that the plant is dead when it has dry leaves and stem. Among living things, seed is also a living thing but does not have all characteristics of the living world. Mold. The tiny thread-like structures called as mold that develops on spoiled material and is able to produce new mold. It grows. So, we can say that mold is also living. Bacteria. Bacteria in curd is helpful to us. This bacteria helps to convert milk into curd. Idli mixture is prepared the day before. Microscopic organisms. Microorganisms are present everywhere, although they are not visible to naked eyes. The microorganisms that we see under the microscope are called bacteria. Bacteria causes diseases in human beings as well as animals and birds. These bacteria spread from one person to the other and causes various types of diseases. Water in ponds, borewells contain large number of microorganisms. When we suffer from a disease, the doctor advises to take boiled water. Microscope. Microscope is an instrument. With the help of this, we are able to see minute things which we cannot see with our eyes. When we see objects through magnifying lenses, they seem to be bigger than their actual size. There are two components in microscope: the structural components and the visual components. Structural components are the head, body, base and arm. Visual components are eyepiece, objective, nose piece, coarse and fine adjustment knobs, stage, aperture, etc.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.